Hey guys, it's Julie with Julie's Design. So today we're kind of having an impromptu shopping trip. I had to come to Lafayette, Louisiana to bring Wryn to the eye doctor. Wryn, say hey. Unfortunate news, she needs glasses. Oh my God. I know what I'm in for. She has exactly what my oldest son has, so we're gonna have to get glasses. She's probably gonna have a patch, maybe some surgery down the road. So I was really hoping that wasn't what was going on. Her eyes started crossing about a month ago, so I went to get that seen about, and yeah, that's the news that we got. But I never come to Lafayette. Like, I can't remember the last time I was here. So of course I looked up thrift stores. There wasn't one far from the doctor's office, but I was on my way to the thrift store, and then they had Nordstrom Rack, which I've never been to. Always wanted to go to Nordstrom Rack, never been there. Then Home Goods, then Marshalls, like all right next to each other. So I'm like, we gotta stop here. So we'll probably shop a little bit here, see what we can find, maybe go get some lunch, and then head to some thrift stores. So I'm excited about these places. I always love Home Goods. I've always wanted to check out Nordstrom Rack. I don't know if they got a home section or not. I literally do not know. I've never been there, but I want to go check it out. So let's go see what we can find today on this little shopping trip. We need some retail therapy, right, Wryn? Right? She's excited. She's excited. I love crossbodies, and they have a ton over here to choose from. All these crossbodies. Wryn's entertaining us with Baby Shark. Y'all see her eyes? Poor baby. These are cute. Do I need a new purse? Maybe. Maybe I do. If I find one. Can't go wrong with brown, but I like real leather if I'm gonna get one. I don't think those are real leather. Ooh, belts. I love belts. I'm so glad belts are in style because they're so much easier to find. I always did love wearing belts. They do have a small little home decor section. Look at this cat. The glasses. Or no, it's a bunny rabbit. Now, when my son started wearing glasses, I needed everything that had glasses on it. Now it's going to be the same thing for Wryn. Glasses! We're at Home Goods now, and I love Home Goods if you're looking for like a little decorative rug. I'm still looking for something from a master bath. I love something like this, but it's not big enough and it looks kind of cheap. Like, it's printed on, you can tell. But that's kind of the vibe I'm going for, and I'm not seeing anything. They don't have anything long enough. I need like 7 feet. They have really... I like stuff like this in a kid's bathroom because it's super thin, and then you can just throw it in the washer. Like, look how cute this rug is for a boy's bathroom, and it's only $25. So where's the price tag? Yeah. Look at these benches, how cute. I love this. I wish I had room for something like this in my bathroom. I love this look. These are out right now at Home Goods. They are actually beach towels, but I think they would be so cute as decorative towels in a boy's bathroom, and they would look so good with those little rugs I just showed y'all. I love these. They're $12.99. They always have cute pots and outdoor decor here. I am loving this. It kind of looks like paper mache at the top. So cute. She's mad I took the phone away from her. She was watching Baby Bum. This is my favorite place to shop for pillows. There's just aisles and aisles of pillows. So if you want different colors, you can kind of make your own little arrangement in the aisles if you want to. Look at these tulips. How cute. I was gonna skip Marshalls, but look, it's connected to Home Goods. So that means we gotta go, right? Right, Wryn? That means we gotta go? Ooh, look at this pretty glass. Oh my God, look at this one. That's huge. I might be looking kind of rough by the end of this video. Shopping with a 2-year-old is not that fun. And Nordstrom Rack She threw her Minnie Mouse shoe and distracted me, and while I was picking it up, she took off. I had to chase her around the whole store. I was trying not to give her my phone because then I couldn't film. So then I gave her my phone so I could shop. But then every time I took it away to film, then she was screaming in the background. It was just a whole nightmare. I don't know how this video is going to look. I don't even know if I'm going to post it, but I'm just going to film what we're doing today. Excuse me, ma'am. So at Nordstrom Rack, I ended up getting me a new pair of slides. You've probably seen these in my shop videos when I'm working. They are full of paint, so now I got me a nice new pair. These are men's, a size 8, because the women's are always pink, and I just want black and white, not pink. So I got me a new pair of Nike slides, and then I got me a Michael Kors belt. So soft and pretty. I was looking at the crossbodies. I would like a nice soft leather crossbody, but I didn't see one there. They were like all fake, and I want real leather if I'm gonna get a crossbody, one that like ages perfectly. Then we went to Home Goods. I didn't buy anything there. I was tempted to buy some new stuff for the boys' bathroom because I really love what they had out, but I held back. I wasn't ready to make those life decisions in the store with her, so I'm just gonna keep that in the back of my head. And then we went to Marshall's, looked around a little bit, but I didn't get anything there. So I think we're gonna go hit a few thrift stores, and then it's gonna be around her nap time. So we'll head home. That way she can take a nap at her normal nap time. Can't mess up nap time. All right, Wryn, you ready? You wanna go to the thrift store? Yeah, she said yes. Let's go. I was hoping since I was in a bigger town, the home decor section would be bigger, but no, this was it. This was the entire home decor section. The rest of it was just clothing. So, bummer. They had this canister set for $6.99, and I found out it was so cheap because it had a crack on the top, but that's okay because we know how to cover that up. I thought this huge mug was really cute. It would have been cute painted. Put some floral in it next to your coffee station. I wish I would have picked that up, but I was kind of trying to figure out how I was going to carry all this breakable stuff with the baby. So I ended up passing on that. They wanted $8 for this picture right here. Next, I went to Hand Up Thrift Store. This was definitely more my kind of thrift store. The prices were lower, so I was just hoping they would have some good stuff in there. I thought this pot was cute, and it was only 50 cents. They had lots of little knickknacks and things, but I didn't really see anything that I was interested in purchasing. They had this really pretty print. I love like these botanical floral prints, and then they had this bird print. It was artist signed. It was really pretty, but I ended up passing on it because I didn't have a spot for it in my house, and I wasn't sure it'd be something that my customers were interested in, so I just decided to pass on it. Ooh, I found another one of these prints. There's a pair. So pretty. And then, of course, the kitchen section is always my favorite. I really like this bun pan. I like bun pans for putting on the wall or putting florals in. But again, I didn't know if it was something that my customers would buy. So I just went ahead and passed on it. We stopped at Goodwill. The prices were definitely a little bit higher than I'm used to at my local thrift stores. But I did end up buying this set of 4 canister set. It was $7 for the whole set, and it does seal. And the reason I think it was so cheap was because it's cracked. But that's not a big deal. You can see that you can barely even see the crack. Somebody already glued it up really good. I'm gonna do the baking soda textured technique on here and put a crockery stamp, because I have a set just like this in my outdoor kitchen on my shelves, and every time people come pick up their stuff, they try to buy my set, but I am using it to hide all my art supplies and make it look cute. So I'm going to paint up this set just like my other one, and this one will actually be for sale, and I'll probably charge about $40 for this set. Now, At the second thrift store I went to, it was definitely, the prices were much better. I ended up not getting anything except for a stuffed animal that Wryn had to have. That will probably be sacrificed at some point. That's usually what happens. But the art print, I kept coming back to it. It was really pretty. And if it would have been a price I couldn't pass up, I would have got it. But realistically, I would probably only sell it for $40 for the set. So it's just not a huge profit. And if I was buying it for myself, it's a great price. But I don't have a spot for it in my house. So I just decided to pass on those. But I really looked hard at them. They were really pretty. Hold on, my baby. So now we're gonna head home, let her take a nap. But since I'm so close to the bargain barn, like it's on my way home and she'll be napping and everything's outside, so I can let her nap while I do like a quick lap around there. I think I'm gonna stop by there. I'm so sorry if y'all don't like kids, because this video is full of her whining. But don't worry, it's only 12 o'clock. Like, I have not made her come shopping long. She's gonna take a nap and the rest of the day is gonna be all about her, whatever she wants to do. So let's let her take a nap, and I'm gonna shop in peace a little bit at the bargain barn, and then we're gonna head home. When I got there, they had this trailer open, so I thought that meant maybe they just unloaded some stuff and I would find some new goodies. There was lots of art prints out that I kind of looked at, but I ended up passing on all of them. As y'all know, in 2021, I am trying to clear out my backlog of items. So I am being super selective about what I actually purchase. And that is why I like to film this part for y'all. That way y'all can kind of shop through me. Because most of the stuff I will not be purchasing. They had lots of like little coffee tables and little side tables out today. They had their Easter stuff out. I actually saw these at one of the other thrift stores today. I don't know where those come from. Easter junk that I am not interested in. They had these bunnies that I like, but they were in pretty rough shape, like very stained up. So, and it's kind of close to Easter. So I don't know if I'm going to be picking up any more stuff like that. Easter's so early this year. I don't like that. I feel like I need more time. I wanted to go back and get this, and I totally forgot till I saw this video, because I had one like this on my entertainment center and Wryn broke it. So I could have replaced it. I forgot that. Maybe it'll be there the next time I go. They had lots of furniture. It was stacked up high in there. So I made my stop at the bargain barn. I only ended up buying 2 things. I got this big box. Now everything definitely needs to be cleaned. You know, they take their nicer stuff to their antique store, and the bargain barn is for the junk that I want. But those look so good painted up in distress. It's probably going to go white unless I have a lot of bleed through. Then I may decide to paint it black. And then look how awesome this candlestick is. I want to just give it a coat of white wax and see how it looks, and if that doesn't come out good, then I can always paint it white and distress it. But I just love this. I paid $5 for the both of them together, so I thought that was a good deal. I was happy. I quickly stopped by and went. The baby's up. We stopped at Burger King to get her some french fries. Wryn, those french fries are yummy. Don't talk to her. She's a grouch today. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little shopping trip. I would love to go back to Lafayette and shop again. I saw so many places that I would have liked to stop at. I would love to go back to Nordstrom Rack and try on the clothes. They had so many jeans that look so cute. I would love to try on. So if you are local to Lafayette and enjoy going shopping there, let me know if there's any stores that you think I should check out. I saw that they had a restore as well, but it was closed today. So there may be a shopping trip in the future. I hope y'all had fun. Wryn, I'm trying to finish up this video. I hope y'all had fun shopping with me and Wryn today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these kind of videos. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I'll be upcycling some of these things that I purchased today in future videos. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Wryn, tell them bye. No. Wryn, tell them bye. Yeah. Oh, she being a little meanie butt today. Bye, y'all. Oh my God, I'm out of breath. She took off. I literally had to chase her around the whole store. Wryn, you did that?
Yeah, I did that.
Are you a bad girl?
That's not
And I had to go on the hunt for her Minnie Mouse shoe because she threw it at some point. All right, you ready to get out of the store? It's not fun shopping with you. It's not fun.
Thanks for watching and give this video a big